In 1825, a careless maid in a French works knocked over a lamp and spilled turpentine on a dirty tablecloth. The owner of the dye works noticed that once the turpentine dried, the stains that had marred the fabric were gone. He conducted an experiment where he bathed the entire tablecloth in a bathtub filled with turpentine and found that it came clean once it dried. It was the moment when modern dry cleaning, which became an axis of the laundry industry, was invented. He used this method when he opened the first modern dry cleaning shop, Teinture Jolly Bellin in Paris. This story is about Jean Baptiste Jolly, who is generally named the father of modern dry cleaning. This example shows us that invention is created by a combination of problem consciousness, observation, and experimental spirit. Do you think you have these three elements?